Today I'm going to bring a 4NS drain. It's made for showers and bathtubs, and today we're going to just include a couple of things that are included. We get the actual instructions step by step, and we have a professional that does bathroom and kitchen design. He's going to talk a little bit more about it. So can you give us some feedback on that?
So for the installation of the drain, it comes with a template. It's a peel and stick on that you want to place where you're going to set it. You're going to peel it, place it, and that's where you could cut your tile. And it's perfectly, when you fit it on top, it'll give you the perfect cut all the way around. And at the bottom it has some levelers, so if your tile's not perfectly level, you can level it yourself, or the plumber basically set it in place. They'll do the ground step and they'll connect the trap at the bottom, and then they'll be ready for the shower. And it also comes with a small hook. If you want to clean it up when it gets dirty, it has a special pin that you clip it on to remove it and clean it from any water damage. And there's also another feature that it comes in. It comes with a hair strainer. You remove the hair, so if all the hair from the woman gets stuck, you remove the strainer and you get the hair out. And you put it back inside to clean it. And you put it back in there.
This is all stainless steel, so it won't rust. It's going to last you many years, and it makes it very simple, very easy when you have this template, this peel off template. So when you have tile or any kind of flooring that you're going to have, this is very important. It comes a lot handy to cut out the actual base, because without the base cut out, the actual engineer or the plumber are going to have a nightmare setting that up. So that's very important, plus the tools. And if you lose that little hook, you can always use a pen, you can always use your keys or anything else to actually hook it up. So it's not a bad thing, but it comes with it. It's necessary if you want it, and it has these indentations, if you guys can see that too. So underneath of it, if you guys can see, this is the actual bottom of it. There's a screw on area, and of course he was talking about balancing it out right here. And if it's supposed to be balanced, this is where you actually adjust the two circuits. And of course these are plastics, and everything, all the tools and everything's gonna be stainless steel in there. So just to give you a heads up. So I hope you guys find this information informative, and I hope you enjoy it. And just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us for review. Hope you guys enjoy the video.